The news never stops, and neither do we. This is LI in the AM with Jay Oliver, 103.9 LI News Radio.
And we are back at 7:40. My pleasure to bring in John Rago. He is the outreach coordinator for Suffolk County United Veterans. It's a project of the Association of Mental Health and Wellness. Very happy to bring in John right now to bring more light to this terrific program. John, welcome aboard.
Thanks, Jay. Thanks for having me this morning. Appreciate it.
Great to have you aboard. When I first read about this program, I thought this was terrific because you're helping the veterans really have a steady home, a stable home, and to prevent what so many veterans have gone through, and that is becoming homeless. How did this whole thing get started? First of all, how long have you guys been in operation over there?
Well, actually, the program has been around since 2009, but only available in Suffolk County this past year. And in fact, I'll be tomorrow's my anniversary. Actually, one year tomorrow. So it's been interesting. We've been trying to get the word out to everyone, and trying to let veterans know that there's help out there for them. If they're in trouble losing their housing. It's
terrific. It really does. And the outreach function is for what? The supportive services for veteran families. The program, it's funded. It's funded by the VA directly, correct?
Yes, it is directly by the VA. And what's unique about this program is that the VA is issuing grants to community-based organizations to actually implement the program.
That's terrific, and you guys work very closely, I understand, with the Economic Opportunity Council of Suffolk County too, which, by the way, is a recipient of the veterans grant, right?
Yes, they received the grant, and they partnered with us to perform the outreach function for the program. So it's our job to pass the word around, to get out there and talk to veterans groups, non-veterans groups, get out there into the community and spread the word about the program, and also to do the initial interview with the potential clients, potential veterans that may benefit from the program.
Talking with John Rago. He's the outreach coordinator for the Suffolk County United Veterans, a project of the Association of Mental Health and Wellness. John, do we know how many veterans we have here in Suffolk?
Well, we have Suffolk County is home to the most veterans in the entire state. Over 800,000 veterans live in Suffolk County.
Wow. That is a lot, and pretty much, you're looking really to provide services for some permanent housing, but more importantly, not only for the vets who are either homeless or maybe at a high risk, right? It's not just a sense of one being homeless; they could be at a high risk of becoming homeless.
Exactly. I like to call these the uncounted, because no one knows how many there are out there that are in trouble. You can be fine one day, and then something happens, a catastrophic event can happen in your life, and now tomorrow you're facing homelessness, possibly for the first time in your entire life. And that's a scary proposition. It really is.
Yeah. And many, listen, not only veterans, but many just don't know what to do. But in the case of those who have served, what would be the best way? How does one kind of contact you guys about this?
Okay, the best way is by phone. I'll give you two numbers to call. First one is 631-924-8088, extension 1505. Or you can call 631-289-2601.
And is there a website of any kind that one can kind of go to read up about all this stuff?
You just go to the Economic Opportunity Council of Suffolk, and there's a tab there for the program, or you can go to scuv.org. That's our website, and you can get additional information there.
That is terrific. And you have mentioned 800,000 veterans, most in the state right here in Suffolk County. Is this particular program the only one kind of going on based on the number of veterans right now in the county? Is there obviously there's none in Nassau now, correct? There's none anywhere else in the state?
Well, actually, it's a nationwide program.
Okay.
So it is available. Nassau County, 5 boroughs. It's available throughout the country now.
Gotcha. But you guys basically, you're based here in Suffolk County, and obviously coordinator for this part of the region as far as the Suffolk County United Veterans Group.
Right. We do share it, though. There's also 2 other agencies that receive grants also. But so there's plenty of help out there for these veterans that it could happen so fast that you can. We've had cases where people are fine. They go all of a sudden, they're renting an apartment in a house. The landlord is selling the house, and the new owner wants to occupy the house and not rent it. So now the veteran is told he has to move. He's living paycheck to paycheck. He doesn't have the money for first month's rent, security deposit, moving expenses. This program covers that for him.
It's tremendous what you guys do. You want to give the numbers again?
Sure. It's 631-924-8088, extension 1505, or 631-289-2601.
It's a great program. John Rago, the outreach coordinator there for the Suffolk County United Veterans, again, a project of the Association of Mental Health and Wellness. Really a wonderful program. And can't thank you enough, John, for really kind of highlighting that program for us this morning here.
Well, thanks, Jay. I'd like to reach out to landlords, too. If you have an apartment you'd like to rent to a veteran, please give us a call. That's
a great proposal right there. Any type of housing that certainly is up for rental or lease, whatever of its kind, reach out to John. Thanks so much again.
Thank you, Jay.
You got it. LA News time. We are at 7:54. We'll take a quick break. Come right back.